Has beauty become part of your healing too, or is that just me? One thing I didn't expect during menopause was how much my confidence would change. Don't get me wrong, I've always thought I was that girl, but watching your body and your features change will definitely shake you. Some days doing my makeup just felt like too much. Other days, something as simple as putting on an ombre lip reminded me that I was still me. Lipstick isn't a cure-all, but it definitely will give you instant gratification. You know, sometimes you just need to pop out on them with a cute little lip. But the biggest lesson is beauty isn't fixing anything, but sometimes it helps me to reconnect with myself.